Alphabet Design ebook mini course. Catherine said this course has reawakened her memories of things that she has tried in the past or has seen in the past. You take all that you've learned in the course and you make border and sashing designs based on using shapes and characters in the alphabet. These are her original designs that she has put together as a result of going through the course. Congratulations, Catherine. You get stitching path instructions, a PDF that you download, and then you get over 50 designs to practice with those characters, and then you're able to combine those to make new designs and to explore free motion quilting.